Hello, hello. I think now audio is. Hello, hello. I think now audio is fine. We'll start today's session. So, good evening, everyone. Start today's session. Good evening, everyone. In today's session, we are going to start the topic differentiation, that is derivative. Hello, I am your maths educator. You can follow me on Unacademy at RM sir. You can also use my code RM sir to get ISC plus subscription. It is for grade 11 or grade 12. I'll cover your maths for the both the grades 11th and 12th. Okay, for any subscription you're willing to take, you can use this code RMSir. Fine. Today's topic is derivatives, and we are going to learn the basic derivatives today, basic rules and the formulas. Okay, all the basic formulas will be taken, basic rules will be taught. Let's start with the topic. The first important thing in the derivative is you have to remember all the formulas. Okay, initially you might find this difficult, or you need to invest some time in remembering all the formulas, because this is the most crucial part, and it's a beginning of chapter. So for everyone who is willing to solve this, solve the exercise based on these derivatives, do a practice and remember all the formulas. Okay, so we'll start with the list of formulas. Here I'm going to write a function. Along with that, we are going to write a derivative. This is widely used. I mean, if you're a science student, then you can use this in the physics also. It is used in physics. Okay, mostly used in maths. So f of x and f dash of x. F dash x stands for the derivative of function. This stands for the derivative of the function. Normally, many students used to ask why exactly we are going to learn these derivatives. What's the application? What's the use? Okay, so I'll just tell you there is a chapter, application of derivative. In that we are going to use many concepts which are based on derivatives. So yes, it is also a very good chapter. I mean, there is applications, and real life application also will understand in the upcoming sessions whenever it is possible. I'll schedule the application session also. Okay, so the first formula, or the first thing, derivative of any constant, it is 0. Derivative of any constant integration is 0. Then derivative of x power n, it is n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. This is again a rule, basic rule. Based on this rule, we can write the derivative of root x, which I want you to remember. It is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of 1 by x, which is minus 1 by x square. Okay, so these are the first 4 formulas that we are going to remember. This is not a formula, that's a basic thing. Along with that, fifth one, derivative of log x, you write it as 1 by x. And the sixth one, derivative of e power x, is same as e power x. So if you're watching this video, then please note down an entire list. I'll just wait for a minute, and then we'll add few more formulas in this. These are all the derivatives. Okay, these are all the derivatives. Derivative of a function is also mentioned as dy by dx if y is equal to function. If y is a function, then dy by dx is also mentioned as derivative. Okay, till this, anyone? Hello Arav, hi. कैसे हो आरव राज सिंह? मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? इन विच क्लास यू आर राइट नाउ, आरव? 9th class, great. Are you from ICSC board? So log x derivative is 1 by x, but if the base is changed, okay, but if the base is changed, here the base is natural number e, right? So log x derivative is 1 by x. In the similar way, okay, Arav, great. In the similar way, if you write x to the base a, then the derivative is 1 by x, and log x to the base log x and the base a. This is, I'll just change this. Here base is in the log, this log a. Okay. Similar to the 8th one, a power x. The derivative for this is a power x log a. This is just, we have started this chapter, okay? Arav and the other students, those who are live right now, I guess two students are right now live over here. We have just started this chapter, again a very basic one, creating a list for the formulas. Along with that, some rules will be also added. We'll take some basic examples, so try to answer in the comment box here. Okay, whatever I am going to ask or whatever questions we are going to solve, based on that try to answer. Okay, so let's discuss the questions based on this first formula. Let's discuss the question based on this first formula, which is what? Derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n with respect to x is n into x power n minus 1. So I'll solve one question, after that you try to answer it in the comment box. Okay. The other question, it's very easy. Derivative of x power 7, let's say. So the power is 7 here, right? The power is 7 here. So you write that power first, n, and then x power, reduce one power. This is derivative of x power 7. It's a very basic formula. Derivative of x power 7 is 7x power 6. Again, try to answer this in the comment box if you are listening this. Okay, so derivative of x power 5, by this formula we can use 5 into x power 4. Okay, even if you are writing in the denominator also, we can use this concept. It is 1 upon, let's say, x power 8. Let's say we have to find the derivative of 1 upon x power 8. So this can be written as derivative of x power minus 8. Now x power minus 8 is minus 8 into x power minus 8 minus 1, which is x power minus 9. So this is the derivative of x power 1 by x power 8. Okay, a very basic formula, this one, and again used a lot of time. Okay, is everyone okay till now? Just let me know. Fine. So till 8th we have created a list. Now let's add some trigonometry formulas also. Okay, let's add some trigonometry formulas also, and then we'll complete the list. After this we'll add few more formulas, then we'll finish the list and we'll start practicing some basic questions. Again, here I'm writing a function, derivative of function. the ninth formula here. It is sin x. So derivative of this function is cos x. And the 10th one, cos x, derivative is minus sin x. Tan x, derivative is sec square x. Cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Sec x, it is sec x tan x. Please make this list because we are going to use these formulas in the upcoming slides. Cot x minus cosec square x. This is the derivative list for trigonometric function. Done. Let's get back to the new question. Now, some rules in derivative. Yeah, rules of derivatives. First one, if there is a derivative of a function, so we can write as a f dash of x. We can write that as a f dash of x. This is not the rule. This is just a note point. The first one is not the rule. It is just the note point. Okay. So I'll erase this one. From here we'll start. So derivative of some constant into f of x. So you can take out this constant out of the derivative and simply write the derivative of that function. And hence we can say that it is k times f dash of x. This is the first rule. Second rule, if there is a function and other function is getting added here or subtracted, then you can separate the integration over the addition or the subtraction. Now this will result into f dash of x plus minus g dash of x. Okay. So again, the basic rule. Third rule is called as product rule, also called as UV rule. F of x into g of x. This rule is called as UV rule or the product rule. The third one. Okay. How to remember this? In this, you have to keep the first function as it is into the derivative of second function plus second function as it is into the derivative of first function. So this results into f of x into g dash of x plus g of x into f dash of x. This is what the UV rule is. U into V rule product rule is. Okay, please note down this, all the rules. I'll wait some for 1 minute, wait for some time. Note all the rules and then I'll get back to the new slide. Next. Now here, the fourth one. What is u by v rule? Derivative of f of x upon g of x. Here, you have to first write g of x as it is into derivative of f of x minus f of x as it is into derivative of g of x. This whole divided by g of x का whole square. Okay, this whole divided by g of x का whole square. Simply you can write this as g of x into f dash of x, f of x into g dash of x. This whole divided by g of x के whole square. Okay, this. Now we have done with all the rules. We'll just solve some basic questions based on it. We are done with the rules. We'll start solving some basic questions based on these rules. Okay, these are the rules. These are the basic formulas of derivatives starting from this list. Okay, there is one more rule left, and that is chain rule. So that will take in the next session. One more rule is left, that is chain rule. I'll schedule a practice session on chain rule, but not right now. I'll add some basic practice here. After that we can stop. Like, let's solve some questions. Question number 1. So derivative of, I'm writing x square plus sine x, like this. This is the easiest one right now. Derivative of x square plus sine x. So here you can separate the derivative on two functions which are adding. Derivative of x square plus derivative of sine x. Now derivative of x square is what? Derivative of x square is 2 into x plus derivative of sine x is what? It is cos x. How exactly this came? Like, this was the part of list or the formula. So first one we are just doing on the based on formula. Second one, d by dx, 5x power 7 minus 2x power 3 by 2 plus e power x plus tan x. Again the easiest one. Here we have just added few more functions. So the first step, derivative of 5x power 7. Now here it is minus sign, so minus the derivative of 2x power 3 by 2 plus the derivative of e power x and plus the derivative of tan x. Now one by one we are going to write the derivative of each function. So here it is a 5 constant. 5 constant is उसको बाहर निकालेंगे. It will be outside the derivative, and the derivative, like, this will be something like this: 5 into derivative of x power 7. 5 into derivative of x power 7. So that 5 we have taken outside. Derivative of x power 7. That is 7 into x power 6. That is 7 into x power 6. Similarly, 2 we have taken common. Derivative of x power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 or x power 1 by 2. Okay, we are applying this x power n formula for derivative, where n in this case is 7 and in the other case is 3 by 2. Hello Ayan, good evening. plus derivative of e power x is e power x, and tan x is sec square x. How are you, Ayan? All good? So these are the two basic questions that we have taken after the basic rules and formulas. This is class 9 session. No. This is for class 11 and 12 student also can watch it. You are in which grade? Class 9? ICSE 9, na? This is for ISC. Are you in 9th class? Fine. Now the next one. Now let's practice some questions on UV rule. So the derivative of x cube into sin x. So here the functions are not getting added. Here functions are getting multiplied. Here functions are getting multiplied. So UV rule is applied over here. So first you keep the first function as it is, x cube. Then write the derivative of sin x. Plus, then you write sin x as it is and write the derivative of x cube. Now, as per the formulas, x cube into cos x plus sin x into 3x square. As per the formula, x cube into cos x plus sin x plus 3x square. Okay, this is UV rule. Let's practice one more. Log x into 5 power x. Log x into 5 power x. Now let's apply the UV rule here. First we'll write the first function as it is, log x as it is, then the derivative of 5 power x, okay, plus 5 power x, then the derivative of log x. So now log x into derivative of 5 power x is what? 5 power x log 5. This is the formula that we have written before. Derivative of 5 power x is 5 power x log 5. See here, derivative of a power x is a power x log a. This is the formula that we have written before, right? And derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. That we have written before in the list. Plus now 5 power x as it is. Hello, hi King. And derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Please note these two questions based on UV rule. Note down these two questions based on UV rule. After this, we'll practice two questions on U by V rule. Done. You are from which grade, King? Ninth. Okay. Great. Now the last will be U by V rule based questions. Now we are going to take the U by V rule based questions. So for example, derivative of, here we'll write x by log x. So how to apply U by V rule? Let's try this. In U by V rule, first write the denominator as it is. First write the denominator as it is into the derivative of numerator. Then write the minus sign. Now write the numerator as it is and then write the derivative of denominator. This whole upon log x the whole square. Okay, log x into dy by this thing dx and all. This is just a basic rule. Initially this might be difficult for you, but later on it slowly will be very easy. Okay, this is the first question that we have done with the U by V rule. So log x minus this one gets, x gets cancelled, so 1 is left, and log x the whole square. Okay, this is U by V rule, first question. Note this also. I'll take one more for the practice. U by V rule, one more for the practice will be taken. Right now in 9th, which topic you are learning in your school or in maths? Which topic is going on in maths right now? Trigonometry and log. Great. So have you studied the properties of logarithm? Okay. Can you tell me what is log of A into B as a property? Yes, not that tough. I know that. Log of A into B as a property will be what? Great. So you have learned the properties. That's really nice. We'll be using these properties somewhere in these questions also. Not today, but in the further sessions. So these all properties we are going to use in the class 11. Right now you are in 9th class, right? In 10th also you will learn something that eventually will be there in the class 11th also. Okay, we'll take one more example and then we'll stop. We have to write the derivative of e power x upon x cube plus x cube plus, let's say, 5x. Have you learned the derivative before, or this is the first time you are learning it? I think it is the first time. While applying U by V rule, yes, if possible you keep on watching some sessions of further grades like 10th grade, like that, of 11th grade. Okay, have you joined the platform right now? On platform there are more sessions, and for 1.5 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour sessions are also there daily, like 1 hour each subject. Have you joined the platform? There we have taken a lot of sessions. x cube plus 5x, and derivative of e power x is 1 minus e power x into derivative of x cube plus 5x. It is 3x square plus 5. X cube plus 5x. I think one student from the grade 9th is watching the 11th session also on the platform. I remember in my class, one 9th grade student came on the platform. Okay, this is what the derivative of the function is. Derivative of the function dy by dx. Again, we have just applied the rule in the simplest form, and we should stop here now. Remember all the rules, all the formulas. This will help you to understand the question in better way. After this, if anyone live right now willing to take the plus subscription, ISC any grade 9, 10, 11, 12, you can use my code RMSIR. This will help you to get the discount of 10%. Sometimes we have more discounts also, so you can check this on the Unacademy application. So you can use this RMSIR and even login for the, while login also this code is asked. While the initial login, this is a free unlock code. So every time you install the application and go to the category ISC or ISC, you can use this code to unlock this. Okay, RMSIR. Bye everyone. We'll stop here today.